Improving indoor comfort is a top priority for any business, and one often overlooked solution is commercial window replacement. In McLean, where seasonal temperature swings can be significant, outdated or inefficient windows can make it difficult to maintain a consistent, comfortable indoor environment. Upgrading your commercial windows is a practical investment that enhances comfort, energy efficiency, and overall workplace satisfaction. One of the most immediate benefits of commercial window replacement is better temperature regulation. Older windows often allow drafts, heat transfer, and air leaks, which can lead to uneven temperatures throughout your building. Employees may feel too hot near windows in the summer or too cold in the winter, while customers may find the space less inviting. Modern commercial windows are designed with advanced insulation technologies that help maintain a steady indoor climate, reducing hot and cold spots and creating a more pleasant environment for everyone. Energy efficiency is another major advantage. Inefficient windows force your HVAC system to work harder to compensate for heat loss or gain, which drives up energy costs. By installing high-performance windows with features like double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low-E coatings, and insulated frames, businesses in McLean can significantly reduce their energy consumption. This not only lowers monthly utility bills but also supports sustainability goals, an increasingly important factor for both customers and stakeholders. Noise reduction is an often underappreciated benefit of new commercial windows. In busy areas of McLean, outside noise from traffic, construction, or nearby businesses can disrupt the indoor experience. Upgraded windows provide better sound insulation, helping create a quieter, more focused work environment. For offices, this means improved productivity and fewer distractions. For retail or hospitality spaces, it contributes to a more enjoyable and relaxing customer experience. Natural light plays a key role in indoor comfort and well-being, and modern window replacements are designed to maximize it without compromising efficiency. Improved window designs allow more daylight to enter your space while minimizing glare and UV exposure. This can enhance mood, reduce reliance on artificial lighting, and even help protect furnishings and merchandise from sun damage. A brighter, more inviting interior can also leave a lasting positive impression on customers. Commercial window replacement also improves indoor air quality. Old or damaged windows may allow moisture infiltration, leading to mold growth and poor air conditions. New windows provide a tighter seal, reducing the risk of water intrusion and helping maintain a healthier indoor environment. This is particularly important for businesses that prioritize employee wellness and customer comfort, such as healthcare facilities, offices, and retail stores. Aesthetic appeal should not be overlooked either. New windows can dramatically update the look of your building, both inside and out. Clean lines, modern materials, and improved clarity can make your space feel more professional and welcoming. For businesses in McLean, where appearance can influence customer perception, this upgrade can contribute to a stronger brand image and increased foot traffic. Finally, investing in commercial window replacement can increase the overall value of your property. Energy-efficient upgrades and improved comfort are attractive features for potential buyers or tenants. Whether you plan to stay in your building long-term or consider future resale or leasing opportunities, new windows are a smart, value-adding improvement. In summary, commercial window replacement in McLean is more than just an aesthetic upgrade, it's a comprehensive solution for improving indoor comfort. From better temperature control and energy savings to noise reduction and enhanced natural light, the benefits are wide-ranging. By making this investment, businesses can create a more comfortable, efficient, and welcoming environment for employees and customers alike.